Sharp, fast, and ready. Welcome back to Smart Gadgets Picks. Today we're diving into 18 seriously practical tactical tools you can actually buy on Amazon. These aren't fluff. Each one is built to hold up when things get real. And I'll tell you why they deserve a spot in your pack, on your belt, or inside your vehicle. Short, direct, and useful. Let's run through the first three. A high lumen tactical flashlight with strobe mode. Look for something that pairs raw output with smart usability. Bright enough to blind an aggressor temporarily, but with a low and medium setting that won't cook your battery. The features I care about: a solid throw, a tight but usable beam for both room and distance work, tail cap switch for instant on, and a true strobe that's accessible without cycling through every mode. Metal body, IPX-rated water resistance, and a reliable pocket clip or weapon mount make it versatile. In practice, this is the gadget you reach for when you need light and a non-lethal deterrent in one hand: a rechargeable headlamp. This is the hands-free workhorse. The best ones snap to helmets, clip to hat brims, or magnet to metal surfaces, so you can keep both hands free. Rechargeable batteries save you from hunting down disposables, and integrated magnetic mounts mean you can stick the light to a vehicle or toolbox for temporary scene illumination. Features that matter: multiple brightness levels, a red mode to preserve night vision, and a comfortable strap that doesn't slide during heavy movement. Lightweight but rugged, the kind you forget you're wearing until you need it. A multi-tool, pliers plus knives plus screwdrivers combo. This is the Swiss Army for grown-ups. Needle nose pliers, a dependable folding knife, flat and Phillips drivers, a saw blade, and often a bit driver for swapping heads. The value here is modularity. One compact package that can field strip gear, hunt patch kit hardware, or fix a broken strap on the fly. Look for hardened stainless parts, a locking blade, and an ergonomic grip that won't bite your palm when you torque. That little tool is the difference between improvising and actually fixing something fast. A folding, entrenching survival shovel. Modern folding shovels are more than dirt diggers. They're compact, aggressive, and built for multiple tasks: digging a fire pit, burying waste, clearing brush, or even as a last resort defensive tool. The key traits are a strong locking hinge, a serrated edge on one side for cutting roots, and a handle that breaks down without wobble. Many models pack in a hammer face, saw teeth, and a compact carry sack. Great for vehicle kits or bug-out bags. Don't buy the flimsy economy version. Pay for thickness and a solid locking mechanism. A plate carrier. Whether you're prepping a training loadout or building a serious range rig, a modular plate carrier with MOLLE webbing lets you position mags, medkits, and tools exactly where you need them. Comfort matters. Padded shoulder straps, a low-profile cummerbund, and breathable backing reduce fatigue. If you're not carrying armor plates, a lightweight chest rig still organizes essentials without the bulk. Choose one with adjustable straps. The better the fit, the less it shifts when you run, bend, or climb. A tactical backpack assault pack. This is your mobile base. A small assault pack with a hydration sleeve, multiple compartments, and external MOLLE lets you build mission-specific kits. Comms in one pouch, med in another, tools in a third. Heavy-duty nylon, reinforced stitching, and a zip that won't fail matter more than you think. The best ones open flat for fast access, have compression straps to stabilize load, and include a sternum strap to keep weight balanced. For daily carry or a short op, this is the pack you reach for: a night vision or IR monocular scope. These have come down in price while improving in performance. A good monocular gives you handheld or helmet mount flexibility, see silhouettes, read movement, and pair with an IR illuminator when ambient light is near nil. Critical specs: resolution, gain control, and how it handles bloom when you're exposed to bright light. Ergonomics count. A model with simple focus and durable housing is worth the premium because you won't fiddle with it when you need it. Use it for reconnaissance, security walks, or any low-light inspection where a flashlight gives away your position. A thermal imaging monocular scope. Thermal lets you see heat signatures through darkness, light foliage, and some obscurance. For inspection, search and rescue, or locating animals and hidden heat sources, a compact thermal monocular is invaluable. Look for decent refresh rate and thermal sensitivity so small temperature differences show up clearly. Battery life and a rugged bezel for drops are also important. These are electronic devices that you'll take beyond comfortable environments. A laser rangefinder. Knowing accurate distance instantly changes how you plan a movement, a shot, or a rescue approach. Modern rangefinders fit on rails or sit in the hand and return distances to trees, vehicles, or roofs in a second. Useful features: ballistic modes or angle compensation, a readable display in bright sun, and the ability to store profiles. Even if you don't need extreme long-range precision, a mid-range laser rangefinder is a discipline changer for planning and situational awareness. A rescue tool, seatbelt cutter plus window breaker. Keep it in the glove box or on your everyday carry sling. Compact rescue tools combine a protected blade for slicing webbing and a hardened tip for breaking tempered glass. The protected blade prevents cuts to you while you work and avoids accidental snags in a chaotic environment. Look for ergonomic grips so you can operate under stress, and a recessed blade design that won't open in your pocket. This tool is for first responders, drivers, or anybody who wants to be able to extract people quickly and safely. A tactical pen, glass breaker plus LED. It's deceptively simple. A robust pen body that writes and also functions as a low-profile defensive tool. The best tactical pens use aircraft-grade aluminum or steel, have a reinforced tip for glass breaking, and include a useful LED for short-range illumination. Slim enough to carry in a pocket or clip to a notebook, tactical pens are both legal and practical in everyday carry. When you need something discreet that still does real work, this is it. A rugged solar power bank charger. Don't rely on household outlets in the field. Rugged solar power banks with dust and water resistance, fast USB-C output, and enough capacity to charge radios and phones multiple times keep your comms alive. Look for an integrated solar panel that tops up the internal battery and supports pass-through charging so you can trickle power while you work. Bonus features: built-in flashlight modes, wireless charging pads, and carabiner loops for hanging on a pack. A Paracord bracelet with fire starter and whistle. Tiny but versatile, Paracord bracelets give you a length of 550 cord for emergency lashings, shelter lines, or quick repairs. The embedded fire starter rod, striker, and emergency whistle make this a multi-use survival item. It's not a primary tool, but in a pinch you'll be amazed at how often a few meters of paracord and a spark will solve a messy problem. A compact drone for recon inspection. Small quadcopters with decent flight time and stable video are indispensable for getting a look before you move in. They let you scan roofs, check perimeters, and inspect hard-to-reach spaces without putting someone in harm's way. For tactical use, choose drones with stable gimbals, reliable GPS hold, obstacle avoidance if possible, and a camera that records decent low-light footage. Remember flight laws and safe operation. They're powerful but demand responsibility. A first aid trauma kit built for field use. This isn't your weekend hike Band-Aid box. Trauma kits focus on rapid hemorrhage control. Tourniquets, hemostatic dressings, chest seals, and compact airway tools, all organized for single-hand access. The kit should sit easily in a vest or pack and be modular so you can replace items after use. Look for kits that come with clear labeling and a quick deploy pouch so you don't waste seconds digging in a pile of supplies. A rugged phone case clip-on belt case. Phones fail when dropped. Cases fail when they aren't built for impact. A tactical phone case with reinforced corners, a secure belt clip or MOLLE-compatible holster, and an integrated screen protector keeps your comms alive when it matters. Some holsters also include quick release tabs so you can access the device fast without fumbling. For folks using phones as primary nav or comms, this is a must. A lantern or work light, IP rated. When you need area light rather than a focused beam, a durable IP rated lantern or rechargeable work light fills the gap. Look for models with both flood and directional beam options, hanging hooks, and the ability to charge other devices. The IP rating tells you it'll survive rain or dusty environments. These are the lights you want in a camp, in the trunk during a roadside repair, or when you're lighting up a wide area work scene. Protective gloves. Don't sacrifice hands or eyes for speed. Cut-resistant gloves with reinforced palms, impact pads on the knuckles, and comfortable fit preserve dexterity while offering real protection. Pair them with anti-fog ballistic goggles for windy or dusty environments. The right PPE keeps you in the game. The wrong gloves make tasks harder and increase injury risk. A tactical radio long-range communication device. When cell networks fail or coverage is non-existent, a rugged radio keeps your team connected. Modern handheld tactical radios offer multiple frequency bands, encryption options, and long-lasting rechargeable batteries. Look for models with weather-sealed housings, backlit displays, and headset compatibility so you can run comms discreetly. The ability to scan channels and store presets saves time under pressure. Whether you're coordinating in the field, camping off-grid, or running a training exercise, radios make sure no one's operating blind. An outdoor emergency shelter/bivvy sleeping gear. Lightweight but essential, these emergency bivvies and shelters are built to reflect body heat, keep out wind and rain, and fold down to pocket size. Many come in tough, tear-resistant material with sealed seams so you don't lose warmth to drafts. Some models double as survival blankets or tarp shelters, giving you flexibility depending on your environment. The key here is packability. It's the just-in-case item that earns its place the first time you're stranded in the cold or wet. And there you have it. 20 incredible tactical military gadgets you can actually buy on Amazon. Each one is built for real-world use, from illumination to survival, comms to comfort. These aren't gimmicks, they're practical upgrades for anyone serious about preparedness.